velocity. So when the object is moved from A to B, right? So here we are getting some terms. Here first is how much distance it has moved, how with how much displacement it has moved, or what is the speed here, what is the velocity here, and what is the time here. So these are the five terms which we'll get when the object is moved from A to B in a straight line. So all the kinematics and all the kinematic equations, everything depends on these five terms. First one is distance, second is displacement, third one is velocity, fourth one is speed, fifth one is time. Right? So today we'll discuss what is velocity. So basic definition of velocity equal to displacement by time. Okay. Speed is distance by time. Speed is distance by time. Okay. But here velocity is displacement by time. So difference is here. Displacement, distance, this one. So distance is a scalar. So speed is scalar quantity. Displacement vector. So velocity is vector. So the difference between scalar and vector is magnitude and direction will be there. Here no direction here. So only the object moves with some it has moved to some distance. Suppose 5 meters. But here displacement means same object if it is moving with distance 5 meters, and if we specify the direction, suppose 5 meters north direction, so it is displacement, not distance, right? Now types of velocities, right? First one is uniform velocity. Okay. Second is non-uniform. Second is non-uniform velocity, right? And third one is average. Fourth one is instantaneous. Okay. So same types of speeds on uniform speed, non-uniform speed, average speed, instantaneous speed, same thing. So instead of speed, we have to change to velocity, right? So what is this first one? Uniform speed. First one is uniform speed. So if the object is moving A to B, suppose C, 5 meters here, 5 meters here 2 seconds, or suppose 2 seconds. So if the object has moved 5 meters displacement, here 5 meter displacement in 2 seconds, 2 seconds. So distance and displacement and time is same here. So what is velocity here? 5 by 2 is 5 by 2. So the object is moved equal distance in equal interval of time. Equal distance means 5 meters, 5 meters in equal interval of time, 2 and 2. So this type of situation is known as, we can get the which one? Not speed, velocity, uniform velocity. So we'll get the which one? Velocity which is no uniform velocity. That is 2.5 meter per second. Okay. So 2.5 meter per second in some direction will specify, because velocity is a vector quantity. Right? Second one is non-uniform. What is non-uniform? Non-uniform velocity. If the object moves unequal distance, so instead of 5, if it is suppose 6, distance is different but equal interval of time. So if the object moves unequal distance in equal interval of time, that situation is known as non-uniform velocity. So your velocity will be 5 by 2, here 6 by 2. So you are getting different which one velocities here, 2.5, 3, right? So again, when you specify speed, that is 2.5 meter per second and 3 meter per second. But here velocity means 2.5 meter per second, 3 meter per second in some direction, because it is vector quantity, right? Third one is Average. What is average velocity? Total displacement by time. In speed will be distance here. Instead of distance here, displacement will be there. Okay. So in the previous example which we took is that is we got displacement, total displacement is 5, no, that example 5 plus 5, 2 plus 2, because object is moved like this, A to B. Already previous example I told is 5, this is 5, this is 2, 2. So total displacement is 5 plus 5, total time is 2 plus 2. So this 10 by 4 is 2.5 meter per second. We have to specify direction in some direction, that is the average velocity. So total displacement by total time. What is fourth one? Instantaneous. Fourth one is instantaneous velocity. So at a particular instant, in small interval of time. Same definition we saw in that speed. Small interval of time is instantaneous velocity, right? At a particular instant. So at particular instant means instantaneous. So at that instant, if you are calculating the velocity, that is no instantaneous velocity, but which one time is a small interval of time you have to take at that particular instant only. That's why the word is there, at instantaneous velocity. Okay, thank you.